Welcome back, everyone. I'm so happy you're here today. Whether you're just getting started or continuing your fitness journey, this gentle routine will help improve your balance, flexibility. Let me know in the comments. What country are you exercising from today? Exercise 1. Alternating knee clap.
Ready? 3, 2.
Let's go. Lift your left knee and clap your hands beneath your thigh. Lower your leg with control. Now lift your right knee and clap beneath it. Keep alternating from side to side. Move at a pace that feels comfortable for you. Excellent start. If this is your first workout with us, welcome. Don't forget to tap subscribe for more gentle exercise routines every week. Keep breathing. You're doing great. And 3, 2, 1, rest. Take a deep breath. Next exercise coming up. Exercise 2, body rotation. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your body upright and your core engaged. Raise your elbows to shoulder height. Now gently rotate your upper body from left to right. Slow, controlled. Relax your shoulders. Feel your waist and spine becoming more flexible. Fantastic work. 3, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 3, left side, neck stretch. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Stand comfortably with your feet apart. Relax your shoulders. Place your right hand gently on the left side of your head. Slowly tilt your head toward your right shoulder. Don't pull. Simply allow the stretch to happen naturally. Take slow, deep breaths. Feel the tension melting away. Beautiful. 3, 2, 1, rest. Slowly return to center. Let's switch sides. Exercise 4, right side neck stretch. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Place your left hand gently on the right side of your head. Tilt your head toward your left shoulder. Relax your neck. Breathe slowly. Imagine your neck becoming longer and lighter with every breath. Move gently. Never force the stretch. You're doing wonderfully. 3, 2, 1, rest. Great job. Exercise 5, knee lift hand. Sway. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Sway your hands smoothly at chest level. Lift one knee, now switch sides. Keep the movement light, relaxed, and steady. Find a comfortable rhythm. If you're enjoying today's workout, take a second to give this video a like. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people. Keep moving. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Exercise 6. Alternating leg release. Ready. 3, 2, 1. Go. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Place your hands on your waist. Swing one leg gently outward. Return to center. Switch to the other leg. Let the movement come from your hips. Stay relaxed. No rushing. Smooth movements create better control. Fantastic.
Three, two, one. Rest. Keep breathing. You're doing great. Exercise 8. Back step open. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. Step 1 foot back. Open the same side arm behind you. Return to center. Switch sides. Stay tall. Move with control. Your posture is getting better with every step.
Three, 2, 1. Rest. Exercise 7. Flowing palm. Push ready. 3, 2, 1. Go. Keep your feet firmly planted. Draw your hands slowly toward your body. Now press your palms forward with smooth control. Imagine gently pushing away stress and tension. Keep your breathing calm and steady. You're looking great.
Three, 2, 1. Rest. Exercise 9. Cross arm side. Lean ready. 3, 2, 1. Go. Cross your arms over your chest. Lean to one side. Lift the opposite toes. Return to center. Switch sides. Nice and steady. This movement helps improve balance and ankle mobility. Only a few exercises left. Keep going. Three, 2, 1. Rest. You're almost there. Exercise 10. Squat. Reach up ready. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Reach both arms high. Gently squat. Stand back up. Keep reaching toward the ceiling. Excellent work. Every repetition is helping improve your strength and mobility. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Take a deep breath. 3 more to go. Exercise 11, side twist. Swing ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. Swing your arms naturally. Turn gently from side to side. Relax your shoulders. Let the movement flow. How are you feeling now? More relaxed? More energized? Keep moving. Three, 2, 1. Rest. Exercise 12, roll and pull ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Roll both hands forward, pull your elbows back, repeat slowly. Open your chest, keep your breathing smooth. You're doing an incredible job staying with me. Three, 2, 1, rest. Only 2 exercises left. Let's finish strong. Exercise 13, arm circle lift ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Sweep your arms upward, circle them outward. Lower with control, relax your shoulders. Feel your body becoming lighter with every movement. Excellent. Completed today's 15-minute Tai Chi workout, and every gentle movement is a step toward better balance, improved flexibility, healthier joints, and a stronger body. Take one slow, deep breath in and breathe out. If you enjoyed today's workout, please give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new gentle exercise session. I'd also love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments. Which exercise was your favorite today, and how does your body feel right now? If someone you care about could benefit from this workout, share this video with them. Thank you so much for spending these 15 minutes with me. Take care of yourself, keep moving every day, and I'll see you in the next workout. 3, 2, 1, rest, done. Cool down and closing. Fantastic work.